If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Cardano video update today. And wow, Cardano, damn. Okay, 232391, and you've shoot all the way up to this price level. And I do see some break of a pattern for Cardano right now, and this is the break of the pattern, and it seems like we're not done. The business is not quite done just yet, so I think we have a trading opportunity with a stop loss down here. So I don't know if someone wants to risk 6.17%, but it seems like you do have resistance here, resistance right there, move to the downside like this, came up, and you're breaking out of it, and you're basically trying to move again. You're trying to still continue higher from the top to the bottom, and this is where you could potentially expect Cardano to move up 4294, and that's actually going to be a price appreciation of nearly 31% move to the upside. Okay, so I'm gonna dive into the 4-hour time frame, and I want to see how the 4-hour time frame looks like. And yeah, the 4-hour time frame, right, pretty solid. Okay, so you can already see that right next to these levels you have this bullish engulfing candlestick, which really tells me that a good stop loss, if someone is looking for a trade, is going to be 0.3057. I don't want to see Cardano go below that price level, and then from here you're actually breaking out of a pattern right there, and you could actually start to push up to 3463, and it's going to be all a move all the way to the upside as well. So let's see what happens. Bitcoin is also looking to make some pretty green candles right now, and unfortunately I'm still not over. This technical target was never met, 0.1971. We reached all the way down to 24. This was a target given you up here at, but is it in play? Yes, that target is actually still in play. It's not invalidated. The only way to invalidate 0.1971 is to basically come up to this price area, 0.6826. You need to come above here and try to move up like this, break this level, because that's where you have this bear flag, and that bear flag on the weekly actually takes you down here. So it's still in play. The downtrend is not too much like a broken downtrend or anything, but we do have almost like a bull cross tried to be made for Cardano right now. The last time you tried to make a bull cross, you still came down. You still got to be careful today, however, that you don't want to move down completely. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this update on Cardano right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.